Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Taskbar settings immediately. Right-click the taskbar and select Taskbar settings. Make sure you're using an admin account so changes apply system-wide. Once done, close background apps that might lock UI elements because they can prevent size changes. In Settings, locate Taskbar behaviors to begin adjusting size. You'll see options for icons and alignment. Focus on icon size and combine behaviors first, since they directly reduce taskbar height and visual clutter. Now you change the visible elements to shrink the bar. Set icon size to small if your OS offers it, because smaller icons reduce height immediately. Next, enable combine buttons or hide labels so each app uses one slot instead of multiple. This compacts space horizontally and allows the bar to remain slim. Then adjust alignment and overflow. Move icons to the left or center per preference, and enable overflow to tuck extras into a compact menu, keeping the bar visually minimal. Finish by applying and persisting your choices. Restart Windows Explorer or reboot so the system commits the new size settings. Make sure to check for third-party themes or docking software if the taskbar reverts, because they can override your settings. If something breaks, revert one change at a time to isolate the culprit. For example, undo a theme before changing icon sizes. You'll restore control faster this way, and then reapply preferred compact options once stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.